Safe working practices. Before entering the workshop environment or construction site, the correct personal protective equipment, or PPE, must be worn. At a minimum, this would include safety footwear, eye protection, and respiratory protection. Hearing protection should also be worn when working in a noisy environment. Safety footwear. Stone can be heavy and therefore steel-toed safety footwear should be worn at all times, whether in the workshop or on site. Eye protection. The many small chippings produced from working stone pose an eye hazard, both to the mason and others nearby. Safety glasses should be worn by all those present when the stone is being worked to avoid injury from the chips, which are thrown both unpredictably and far. Respiratory protection. The cutting of stone inevitably creates dust. Without the correct personal protection equipment, or PPE, this dust may pose a potential health risk. The dust from stone containing high levels of silica, such as sandstone, can cause serious health issues if inhaled. Some masons choose not to wear a mask when working with certain types of stone, such as limestone. However, all dust should be considered a hazard. Most modern workshops will benefit from the use of mechanized dust extraction systems. Where these systems are not available, personal respiratory protection should be worn. If in doubt, seek advice from your local occupational health and safety authority. Manual handling. By its very nature, stone is heavy, and in addition to wearing the correct PPE, due care should be taken when stone is manoeuvred, and especially when lifting, which should be avoided wherever possible. Do not hesitate to seek assistance when required. In order to access the full video, please see the link below.